hu se na ni suban ete ana pahin bi frɛ no so di nya abotre nipa de manipa mre kakra bi manipa mre kakra bi obehu se na nipa su ene ne ban ete nti anopai pastor sisi ehio bia ye nya abotre se ye do no ye ka ye nkokwa mu asem ade a kyerɛ na kyerɛ se nipa no kwa ye ntamfo pɛ ye nkomo nyina be kwa kogu abonti nti anopai pastor ye da se ye sho bom so se nkura hye se mo ye betu hu anamon na ye de adi dwuma ye da se anopai
Welcome to Tuesday morning. Max FM. Max FM.
89.7.
Enti yanko yedma na afei ena no pa yanko hwe nkoma hodo aba be pie mu ewo oman ni mu yemfa ye newspaper headlines dwumadi na nto aso emfa ema nti abusuafo ni nyina atena se yanko na yemfa nkoma hodo a ena no pa yi aba be pie oman mu nto aso emfa ma Irene de kwa wete se anopa yi
kumi yamiadom ekrem enkwa wo hode ni daso wo
uti na jai
yala
sana usu uti ya ya
kakaka
This is the uti nya wo
ya but it's not as severe as previously so I'm okay
it is still uti ya
Kumi
na beka
Ubi no the area
still uti ya
Yawe kai mo asem nka otu.
Mi na adasembe.
Me wase.
Green akwa ba biom.
Je so mi ni abema.
O sister ni tie ne ya.
Na dey ado ni tie de no ni mu bia na.
Aso no ye me. Me o bisa me bisa me.
Obi ka o se me na me yakufu ado.
Yo.
Hey.
Uti ya. Mayen hwe enkoma hodo e wo timu yen hwe se ya mpase uti ya na se. Because Chrome has we be say obi tie ne ya na che se enkomo pi to the
enkomo me ba obi ka so obi tie ya enkomo be ne di akire
oh say bia ne tie ne ye nti obe painkiller no ano
se wala ko hu anim ya de te ho
Irene yen share
A very good morning to our church listeners once again for joining us live on Max FM 89.7 for the latest and updated news across the world. Today we have a couple of stories we are bringing their way, and beginning with the general news. Interior Ministry to investigate alleged attempts on Kesi Ejabin's life. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ena eka we na chese asweye ehwe Bible ene afisem ho ensem so ena eneyi ababeto dwase Yewura Kesi Ejabin wonua na esanye special prosecutor eneyi yebeto dwase enipa bi mu na chese etata papa ya brabo papa ene ne nkwa sa ensemi ene didi mu akwakopie mu ewo asoye a ehwe Bible ne afisem ho ensem so a eneyi wo kire se sa sobo no a ekoso se enipa bi mu etatai Owura Kesi Ejabin na brabo anase ne nkwa no wonum ede enhyehyeye egu akwa mu aye enhyehyemu afa ho.
Former NAFCO CEO 6 High Court review of Yoko property freezing order. Joy News.
Joy News ena eka we encheye beye enakakrani ena Ghana ebeto dwase ukopie mu ewo iyokofo akachi a eyade se wonom aso eye Abdulwahab Hana ne pachi ni nyina ene se eniema bi a ekoso ewo nabreso no enyade se etwayie ema ekowiase no ye de yensa eto ne nyapade binum so a ye kwama ne beo eneyi owura no ede asem no akwakodan High Court watch the say High Court emomodia enhwehwe ensemu eman esanse eniema bi anana njapade bi a iyokofo ede wonum ensa to so no court no enhwe na wonka na seman sade ebe ya iyoko ebetimi ayi wonsa afri so.
Greater Accra Regional Minister outlines plans to tackle holiday gridlock. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ɛna ɛka saa nsɛm wɔ yi a wobɛpie mu ɛwɔ nkran kuropɔn mu ha na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba ɛyɛ festive seasons ahodoɔ no a ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ traffic ɛkye ɛwɔ ha yie papaapa ɛnɛ yi Greater Accra Regional Minister ɛyɛ Mrs. Linda Ohenewa Akwele Oklu ɛna ɔde nhyehyɛeɛ agu akwan mu a wɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔbɔ mmɔden a ayɛ nhyehyɛeɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛduru buronya brɛ anaasɛ Christmas seasons na traffic ahodoɔ no a ɛkye ɛwɔ nkran kuropɔn mu no ɛtoɔ bɛtumi ɛtwa Daily Graphic ɛna ɛka nsɛm wei.
Government rolls out guidelines for armored bullion vehicles. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ɛka asɛm wei ɛnkyɛyɛ ɛna kyerɛ sɛ ɛkɔbaa ne sɛ sika korabea ahodoɔ no a mpɛn pii no sɛ wɔnom ɛde sika ɛfiri ebi a sika bank foforɔ akɔ Bank of Ghana anaasɛ yɛde sika no ɛfiri wɔnom akakye akɔ baabi foforɔ a yɛbɛte na kyerɛ sɛ yakɔbɔtuo na kyerɛ sɛ ɛbɛwie akyerɛ nsɛm bebree ɛno na ɛnam so ɛma aban no ɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a sɛsɛyi wɔde ɛyɛ bullion van aba na bullion vehicles aba enedie aba beto dwa sɛ ɛyɛ bullion vehicles yi aba ama sesei aban no ɛde kokɔbɔ ɛbɔ banks ahodoɔ no ase wɔn ɛnhwɛ na ɛyɛ bullion vans ahodoɔ no a wɔn ɛmfa ɛnyɛ adwuma na ebiem nso so no ɛho ɛnhyehyɛ yɛn nso so no wɔn ɛni so.
Away from that, Education Minister Haruna Idrisu orders mandatory use of local languages in schools. 3 News.
3 News and eka we na kyerɛ sɛ ɔsoafo a ɔhwɛ ɛyɛ adesua ho nsɛm so na ɛnɛyi ɔde atodwa a wɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ esuku ahodoɔ no an wɔn mmɔmɔden na wɔn mfa yɛ kasa ɛnkyerɛ nkwalaa no adeɛ.
Boni police arrest 8 suspected robbers in major crackdown. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom na eka nsɛm we ukopie mu ɛwɔ bono no mantam mu a aposifo a ɛwɔ hɔ ɛnɛ akyere enipa ɛnwɔtwe ya wɔnom ɛyɛ nipa bɔnfo akromfo ɛwɔ ɛyɛ nsiani a wɔnom esiani. City Newsroom ɛna ɛbɔ saa amanie ɛkyerɛ yɛn.
Away from the general news to the business news this morning, domestic revenue mobilization becomes priority for GRA ahead of IMF exit. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom ɛna ɛka nsɛm wɛ wɔkyerɛ sɛ wobɛpie mu ɛwɔ yɛn fie ahodoɔ no ama na kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ a yɛfrɛ efituo ɛnɛ aba beto dwa sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ sɛ ɛho aba behia ɛyɛ GRA yie pa Ghana Revenue Authority ne nyinaa ne sɛ wɔn ɛba behyɛ mu ɛkɛna esan sɛ mfempinu ɛne aduonu nsia yɛba besi mu no mpanimfo ɛhwɛ ne mu sɛ IMF International Monetary Fund ya mpɛn pii ɔman Ghana yɛkɔbɔ bosia wɔ hɔnom yɛbɛfiri mu ɛne ntini yɛpɛ ɛkwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛn sikasɛm so ɛbɛtumi agyina ya ɛnɛ deɛ City Newsroom ɛbɔ amaneɛ sɛ Ghana Revenue Authority ɛba bɛhyɛ yɛn fituo mu kena papaapa.
19,000 minus savings still trapped after financial cleanup. GMMU demands immediate payments. Ghanaian Times.
Ghanaian Times ɛna ɛka wei na kyerɛ sɛ enipa a wɔnom etu efam agudie wɔnom ɛde wɔn sika ɛkɔ sika krabea mako 19,000 na kyerɛ sɛ apem edunkron 19,000 ɛna ɛnɛ aba beto dwa sɛ wɔnom sika a wɔde kɔto sika krabea hodoɔ no ano ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ atimi aka mu a na kyerɛ sɛ efiri mfimpinu ɛne aduonu nwɔtwe ɛne mfimpinu ɛne aduonu nko na sɛ 2018 ɛne 2019 esika no ɛkɔto sika krabea no sesei nneɛma a ɛkɔɔ so wɔ saa brɛ ne nti no ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ enipa no entumi nsanka wɔnom sika mpanimfo ɛka sɛ mpanimfo ɛnhwɛ na wɔnom entumi ɛmfa enipa yi mako yi esika ɛma wɔnom.
To international news, Nigeria secures release of 100 kidnapped school children as 165 remain missing. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ɛna ɛka wei kopie mu ɛwɔ Nigeria man no emu a Bible ho nsɛm ato apiye wo hɔ papaapa ɛnkyɛɛ yɛde bɛsom yɛtiefoɔ sɛ enipa bɔnfoɔ bi akɔakɔto ahyɛ suku ahodoɔ no aso a wɔnom afa enipa anaasɛ mmabu na ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛne asuku nkɔla ne bi ɛkɔ na ɛnɛ yi deɛ aba bɛtɔ dwa sɛ Nigeria ɛyɛ wɔnom ɛbanbɔ anaasɛ aposifoɔ a ɛwɔ hɔ abɔmmɔden a atimi agye enipa mu ɔha ɛyɛ nkɔla na enipa no ɛkye wɔ mu no yɛagye emu ɛha 100 ya ekɔwi akyire no 165 na kyerɛ sɛ ɔha aduosia enum 165 ɛna sisi a wɔnom egu so a wɔn ayera mpanimfoɔ ɛhwehwɛ wɔn Daily Graphic ɛna ɛka nsɛm wei.
Benin arrest 14 people over coup attempt. Joy News.
Joy News ɛna ɛka wei na kyerɛ sɛ ukopie mu ɛwɔ ɔman Benin mu a mpanimfoɔ abɔmmɔden a akyerɛ enipa mako edunan ne nyinaa ne sɛ ɛyɛ kuukuu sɛ yɛtu aban ne gu no saa enipa yi ɛbɔ mmɔden asɛ wɔpɛ sɛ wɔtu ɛyɛ Benin aban ne gu a ɛnam so ɛma mpanimfoɔ akyerɛ wɔnom edunan yi. Joy News ɛna ɛkasa nsɛm wei.
And our last story for today. World Health Organization condemns airstrikes that killed 114 in Sudan. Africa News.
Africa News ɛna ɛka wei World Health Organization ɛna ɛnɛ watch se ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ ɛyɛ airstrikes a ɛkɔɔ so ɛwɔ ɔman Sudan ya ekum nipa.
I agree no me story I am at the palm in Niaji one point say me who dey me and the Greater Accra Regional Minister Linda Obiniwa Akwelu Okulu. Occurs where she's outlined some measures to tackle the congestion in Accra now. I am at the papa and say you do festive season say ya now we cook room unya baby do 90 now maybe say me say sasa e do festive season say ya is this say some for the be fry mu na say one mo na me fro say na ya bebrebe wo krom na kyerɛ sɛ
the thing is enye ensamanfo
nipa da be me ka ensamanfo
o da be enye ensamanfo de atia ne sɛ obi wɔ hɔ no mo a onye obi a odi dwa hyew nti no once afe no ekɔ na wie ye no nko ade wobehu sɛ onye obi a opie kra na wo sɛ ompie no onye dai no nko didwa ɛna ɛba ne saa na nkurase no wo mu dodoɔ na enso ɛba ne saa na ne yakwakoye bebree but sesi a meme point ne say must we wait till festive season
ɛna mabekin
ansa na ye
yakudidwa nti na meme ka samanfo no because
ɛnya nsamanfo me
so mo say ya mu free
me ma Melinda sɛ me na mekan must we wait till festive season ansa ya de hyehyɛ ye guakwa
said they usually festive seasons na air congested
circumstances there Accra had we all know.
But once you do festive season, it's extraordinary. Yeah, recently me kwa me just say human traffic be
na che no nya
human traffic me say assist be say mo fam me say me nche me ansa na maka ngo fam so nyoma yi bi no green
yeah
me body and me bomb me hu modern say traffic na chi sadam so oso adentina kama means je says when you smart me far as ye ho baby
ya sembe na
oh me dey room say madam ade
akwa say mate ni gigi sika na watene ne nsa what ya say
say madam ade e no say my sister ade say na me say madam ade
any ade
na me husu biti na me to am janisu. Hey!
But also, like I said, must we wait till festive season and sana yetimi the guidelines so you go kwamwana? Because when it comes to your crop, especially Accra has say, anytime be a traffic is anytime be a traffic is ye kai wabra di congestion kosi utimi hu say empanimfo de niam agugu akwanmu ma ches akwanmu da ho fine senka yetimi tokoso ye but ye ya na ejai yetimi tokoso ye nka sa brese no nka traffic no nka easy crowd da but say ye ni no osan kwa Accra ene efe ne se miamia bi mu a onam kra wunya baabi na watia watia se me bab sister enti senka yetimi di san hyehyɛ ye no so na yetimi di san hyehyɛ me hye mu kena enka till date no nka ye ho asonson ye ana me ye ho ahenhan ye ma me nka ne sa ye ho ahenhan ye enti ne kwan se to me ye tena se atwen ema bronya na afeso ansa na ye de hihye ye bi egu akwan mu se oh afi ba besu nipa beba krom traffic beche niema chese bebrebe enti ni me mfa hihye ye ngu akwan e wo se ye di gu akwan mu da sa measures no e wo se nka ye ne da e ba ne sa na obia be hu ba bia wo gina ene obia be hu ba bia wo nam what you say because pain no se eya na esise ya obi kura mfa mu mfiri mu alive o me kind of last year or last 2 years obi di ne ba kokoro akra ne hye na chi ni wawu what you say enti si etimi ya sa ne ma ne sa measures ni gu akwan mu right from the onset afin ahyase no a ne yakwa enko se entru afin na wiye ye no na utimi hu se obi ate ne ho ase e wo ne ma bi me tumi eni kwan se ye twen e ma bronya na sa afin ba beso ansa na ye de nhihye ye bi se ye gu akom se de be ya ye de easy traffic
and America say well I think maybe he's doing that for the major Accra Yonkase Makola area but with what I know currently, initially, Ashaiman is very congested, but for some months now, I'm not clear quite. They say I am shocked that they were able to maintain it. Now the task force they are very. But they buy until so on pavement, so now so pavement, so torn. So with when it comes to Ashaiman, as for Ashaiman, I can speak for Ashaiman because that's where I hail from. Ashaiman, after quite why I claim so do out to me quite straight. I'm say wow.
I cry.
I'm say wow. Into time na mo be sa pavement I didn't guy could be free mo owu no. Since then like amama kwan why so when I like that for I think Greater Accra Regional Minister as long as Ashaiman is and Greater Accra there I think she's done so well for that. She's been able to maintain that particular thing in Ashaiman because enkani Greeno ye be pam me mo said there
Adebetchi no.
Adebetchi. Ngofunu ko yen no musi.
Omo di hide and seek.
Me ni say ngofunu mo na ma peja enyoma no. Omo de mo wala mo di. For some time now, I like the consistency.
Yeah, so din.
I like the consistency. You see,
I feel be who say certificate for no ye no mo tam obi niema. Na fe ye kanta ye.
But you know my problem sometimes it goes against us. Quite recently, e wo Accra cocoa board enim ho no mo side. E na ayalo basi e feli breaker e ku ma me bi wo ho ya Emma Accra mayor kra ko gina ho e ka che wo say yes remo montwe mo pavement no so e mo kra ka wona ya congestion e ba no
oh nya na me kan do congestion o mo ye ko
papa e ka ya nche oh recently me kwa Accra no ama bodom pe wo say grim
ora ni papo
yeah
mo ka papo
yeah papo crane
papo ayi okoye Mr. Mudini mentimi mo ya mo fanche me e fa ne say di congestion exercise o man panin for koye otim say ukwa o start free Kingsway na ukwa kodu tudu ana ehfa tudu ekọ nanim ho no utim say kwan no so fe utim say na say kwan e musu say driver ni bi obekọ bia ti
dem huru oh but me say nyama ne ba na mo betuna kwan no mu but besides and you my problem you see when him say baby now mo pe bi yeah oh yes that's very good then that's louder
because nya sa una ma unya be
him say mo pe
obi ni ama so obedi water
that's the thing you person mo san come no but as much as we are fighting for that thing let's just not forget that our lives are also at risk because car na machine a bit me break at any point in time. Now, we have a Ashaiman incident sometime back. I feel from Asha Sex Senior High School, Ashaiman Senior High School.
Wait,
Nisi film. Munchu, now, me saying before I was in the market when the thing happened. Sometimes, I'm sorry, no. My encasa are buying a percent dear Bonnie and Asibi. It's for our safety. Good. It's good. It's the congestion exercise now, you know. Yes, just adhere to it. And him say, but adhere to it. One case I won't quite.
Ana pay ya beda mase say mama ya tinkoma hodo ba be pimo mem ya da mase.
Yes, ya da se.
Okay.
So what I say we.
Nti no okay.
We got try Juma.
Ejuma me.
Oh, dear Mama made you maybe.
Ah, okay, say no. Research God.
I said the comes in maybe clarification with a higher point. Was Anderson now over the mother? Okay.
Oh,
Says only moving for family amount TRG, the Research God.
Pacho.
And she said, Bibia, about nice and that boy.
May call him for clarification.
All right, TRG and no pay a dash. I'm saying for you, say.
Welcome to Tuesday morning. Max FM. Max FM. 89.7. Welcome to Tuesday morning.
All right, I'm saying, I'm Max morning, Diana was Sugusu, Utino. Unya Tini said, Yanacha said, Chana, Christmas, no, Eddie Shashua Kama. It's end up can be as you baby Christmas home come. Can be as when a baby Christmas home come. Unya Tini said, Yanacha said, Enche. And the Abani said, Adiaba couldn't have made you try me home. Some year over into me in the Brunia. But I know some chess at Menjibrunia Chedia. What a bremedia magic, but so pay me be a few more. I want to make I some year over in the Brunia. All right, I'm saying, queer him now. Yane SK menu entertain come on. Na and come away and come who hear ma. A driver for pint yentina ye. Ye baby didn't come on na ye beside SK menu says, ye can say breaking distance, then. I don't pay him watching.
Yo, me just any one chief for you na.
But I want to
Ya me dumchi ye pa.
Wadaruma, yeah, who crying atoka. Any yeah, who cry to bicycle. Any yeah, chimoto no say can say breaking distance. Wadaruma, Eden.
Yo, me do as na match ya a chief ubio na. Yeah, the Sakwanya area, Sebi, because of services, you know. Any macabo money, the Emma Quasebe, a day, a bamboni safety, ever buy a council, Amma, Brunibese road users in a can Ashenka for. Say, Brunica, BB breaking distance. Breaking distance, no, me find say, me call waduru mo anim hɔ no mo emegyina bi a petrol total no end hɔ no no speed a mede kɔ no yɛfrɛ bibi thinking distance and a braking distance and then the cabo na yɛ overall stopping distance nti wohwɛ mmirika na wotu no na wohwɛ sɛ megyina wɔ bɛ sɛ 100 meters ɛwɔ m'anim no a ɛwɔ mmirika a ɛyɛ sɛ wokɔ na watumi de agyina watumi anya saa calculation no do wo kaka no onkɔfa tape ɛmfa nka but wobɛtumi de wadwene ahunu sɛ speed a mekɔ yi ɛne saa friend say mpɛpɛso a ɛda m'anim yi sei na mɛtumi de aduru hɔ no mu agyina na ɛno nso aduru bi nso a ɛsesa yɛsɛ nsuo tɔ a ɛma ɛkwan no ɛso yɛto nti wosisi no normal one sɛbi a mekɔ bi a 30 kilometers per hour ɛne mɛgyina bi a bɛyɛ sɛ 45 meters ɛwɔ m'anim a ebi a mentumi nya saa yi no ɛbɛtra baabi a mɛsusu sɛ mɛgyina no nti na kyerɛ sɛ da bia woyɛ a ɛyɛ adwene mu ɛne nhyehyɛeɛ a driver ni bia papapa a wɔyɛ professional bia no wosisi wɔ w'adwene mu sɛ mekɔ mmirika wei sei a sei na mɛtumi de agyina saa distance ɛda m'anim a mɛsusu pɛ sɛ megyina no ɛne yɛfrɛ no nti sɛ yɛfrɛ biribi sɛ taking distance plus braking distance equals to overall stopping distance anti sɛ wokɔ yi sɛ wokɔ stool anaasɛ yɛkyerɛ wo a obɛtumi aba wo sɛ da bia ɔbɛma wo mmienu obetuma ma say total stopping distance no ɛyɛ bi a 40 kilometers per hour and I say 40 meters no amount be I say thinking distance no ɛyɛ bi a 20 meters and you obebusa say braking distance no say and you bet 20 braking distance no every overall stopping distance like braking distance no akɔyɛ 20 meters ti da bia ɛyɛ likely say ɔmma ɔbaako da obusa obi a obebusa say mienu mi obema mienu enti mienu no da bia bɛti baako afi baako mu na wo de anya the other one no answer enti kama waye wadwene sɛ wo break no ɛne ba bia wo hya ase sɛ wo break no ɛbɛtumi am wanya hu sɛ saa America we amekoi sei na metumi ama metumi agina ba bia masusu yi enti yɛfrɛ no sɛ thinking distance braking distance equals to overall stopping distance ana ɔma sɛ braking distance ɛyɛ sei stopping distance ɛyɛ sei thinking distance no bɛyɛ sɛ ne nyinaa bɛkɔ akɔte afiri we can see no na breaking distance na sama ayi say the DPI calculation ayi on kofa tape and to kwan no so na mo wo basusu say sa America we amekoi say na metimi di amame metimi di agina sa ayi we ntini e friend no breaking distance nti say wan susu say you know na driver ni na wan fa sa na anya adwuma da bia be ma wakonya nkwahia bi ana say ne wususu no e be ba beto nti sa na etie
SK menu yebedo asena ansana yeja na wakono say yɛkyerɛ mu nso sɛ break band no foforo nso a ɛtumi ma wobɔ break na ɛkye ntɛm yɛn nso a yɛatwɛn ama yɛn break band na yɛ dada no ɛne yɛgye sɛ yɛpoma fi akyire hɔ a sɛ no nso tumi sesa wo aside sɛ nsuo tɔ a ɛtumi ma breaking distance no ɛsesa no yɛn nso a yɛn break band na yɛ dada no nso sɛ no nso tumi ma ɛsesa wahu
ɛno ɛtumi sesa bɛtɛ sesa ne bebree ɛno no yɛfrɛ bibi yɛfrɛ sɛ pedal travel wohwɛ o pedal na obe operate no ɛma ɛkɔ kyɛn sɛdeɛ ɛsɛ ɛkɔ so ati ase ɛno nso ka ho ma ɛbɛma ade no nso bɛ increase kakra but ɛno no nyɛ ne bebree sɛ awe koraa deɛ a ɛne yɛ different ne mmom sɛ ɛwe na wobɛhunu ɛno koraa sɛ driver nipa pɛ bia nka anɔpa no na no yɛbaeɛ ne yɛka biribi sɛ routine checks nka ansa na wobɛstarte car na wobɛbiebie car no so ahwɛ metal cylinder no be who say you need to watch it even crab be gauge be won him ho ebeso na wa check here who say be etuma say ade na we and I say swatch ni nyina say we check say na ma we nyina no meto enti ade de ye wo say be esuahunu ni say be max fato mo so yi woni ndi na mo nani mu ye na say obi nyina adwe say obeti a eno na ebe masa nipa no akohia sa ade nyesa ade a eno de kembem because no pana nka betimi ehunu na wa rectify and satra no watuka no
SK menu no pay bedo asese fra waje so yeda ase ne omre no wadaje ene nkyerɛkyerɛmu ne adesuade a ɔde ama Max FM atiefo yeda ase pa
yo miss me da masi achia ba ko nyina mo hweye na bronya eba na omunya hweye na emwa mayi na yentran kwam ne nkohu afi a edi enimu no
ami yo SK menu yeda ase yefra no SK menu ena yagye nkyerɛkyerɛmu ade afi ne hɔ edefa breaking distance me fi kura na nka wo se me bisa se yen so ye use bicycle no so bicycle ose
uni mabombu
dabi
uni mafafranto
dabi
beden so uni butterfly
ene de mateda
but uni
cheche fry mo na mini
ya mi mbo wate
yen so ye use bicycle
ena
no
ka be ka na ebunta krabo asi abombu wa use bicycle ya ye kwan bicycle for ya ye kwan amawo wo be ka bicycle asem
yen fa wie manda
ba bia be fa bia.
All right, I'm saying,
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
On the road with glasses on, all along we go, laughing all the way. Bells are ringing loud, everywhere is green. Oh, what fun it is to walk on the road with glasses on. Oh, jingle bells, me and friends swinging on the way. Oh, what fun it is to walk on the road with glasses on. Jingle bells, me and friends swinging on the way. Oh, what fun it is to walk on the road with glasses on. Dashing through the sun on the road with glasses on. Oh,
Max FM 89.7.
bells are ringing loud, everywhere is quiet. Oh, what fun it is to walk on the road with glasses on. Oh, jingle bells, me and friends swinging on the way. Oh, what fun it is to walk on the road with glasses on. Jingle bells, me and friends swinging on the way. Oh, what fun it is to walk on the road with glasses on. See I go abroad, about to Yesu bio, the Jonah me, what don't yen, what my faith to yen. See I go abroad, about to Yesu bio, the Jonah me,
your friend no Eshen
yen.
lady yatini nkache pa say oni ne manager eji adwuma ye nti no say na yes ne manager no say opese onye ya ene Eshen so say da
O say
na ne manager no pese
onya dey
onfanfuo mu onfanfuo mu
dey here dey
Eshen so say da
unye ade ne yesi oni ni manager na omo ye yi dada any misunderstanding.
Onya the phone dada.
No, any boyfriend according to Eshen.
Oh, okay.
Was he any boyfriend dada?
Okay.
And I misunderstanding.
It's then actually so the phone mu sa.
Me phone. Yan kasa ma so the phone. Nti no as a misunderstand. Eno na ya na man dangerous no. O guy or san your manager.
E man no.
E
was some fa we any lesson. Uja boy no na meko se satan na say we do pick no
ne prime time
Eshen ba bia ye hunu ba bia
oh ye hunu
we ma
o de beba enche
o de nyuma be 5 years credit
beba
just one
obi on mo ko exile the siesie no hu
oh masa say Ghana you need time sa you need time crash and you see wa ho adaje
obi ko exile the siesie no ai o the siesie no
ho adaje crash
yeah hwe
you any anopa ye chia Eshen ye hwe nanim right onye no fa bi mra na o e good pa okwa na ma adina inya kwan because na manfo e de Eshen etoto ine bi kwa ni momumu ensonso ne
akwa se mandem ne ayi
okay ni new song odi aba da ben 2025 hey anu hu twama na hu atwa mentenda everyone say you
kuma so hu twama rade
because ni mentenda
ubeda wati say wo so la shelele
yes you the new one bi aba yenti
King of me too and it be true. I got one life and I wanna share with you. No man can take me away from you. Only God can do that too. I dey wonder, are you thinking of me too? Inti odonyemra, 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 Odonyembra, I miss you, baby. Odonyembra, Odonyembra.
Max FM. 89.7.
Odonyembra.
Bado kwenye ne se onimunyomu topa nso.
Oh, ne voice ya kama.
Onimunyomu topa.
Eshan. Ne voice ya kama, ne voice ya kama
Onimunyomu
pa.
topa. Nti also the you into the June this year. Oh, okay. And they say I can't sense the beboa na naja.
I'm what me promote am and fine.
Yo. Ni na ye. Why? Media adwuma de saa unya ho ntiase se to get to a time who betwam a wote mframa mu na wafa ho adwene me metie ya ma no de din enche ebedu baabi me bɔ me ho modern sen me time twam a
Oh, and yes bibia wo ne bre. Bibia wo.
And then I mete manya ho kwan te mframa me bedu baabi no ko baabi akora emua me enti ene anwum tu adwuma
nyina. Ba asem o. Se emre bi atwa mu na wo yisini. Wo twa skits.
Na me twa.
Na se anu atwam. Ena efiri ho no. Ena
na me ye blogging cry.
Ena nka me be kan. Okay, o blogging yansa na wo bi twa skits no. Ena no no ko guye.
Ena se me ye radio.
Ena nja ho betwam sa no.
Ena dia me am ya we. What say a special media juma.
Yes.
We are dan ya untimi nye no.
Frey yi sa nkosi.
Even it will get to a time what in from amu kra mpa.
Obi ampese obeti.
Ye ntie o te se first.
Obi ampese obeti. E ba sa na fa hu ni sa na wo sa wo mpave way. Na nchiri mafo no so. Emra. Di mu o de nkita gene ya gi aboso.
Me am ya we. Say
ya hu ni se ye. Hu ni se ye pa.
Di me say ma fa ho adwi me nya hu say.
Ohu ye kempe.
No park and pet.
No wa park ho dada.
Am a pet provision store bi aye.
Di ka pesi wanza o. Nsi achi ba fasi wachi ansa.
Am a pet provision store bi aye
yo. Eni obi twa say papa we na anim no. We no you presenter o. Eh we ase pansu. Anyway.
Yan fast dama mega cash lucky box. O se yan catch you say star 426 star 8 hash network bi a wo so bomodi aso be send it. Select number 2. Offer number 2 where we are. Boxes and maku sia beba. Select your lucky number. O lucky number and 5 Ghana cedis near the factor so the more now what no. The more now usika eye kese.
Yeah.
The more now would sika kese e to no. The more now and I would sika kese na mpo. Sa otuna sa wani mpa e ma ho kwan se unya points ahodo pia o de enwini novella watch and win na ekoso Mass TV ne bi oto oda krabo se call aba se o ye Frofi Mass TV wanya ho kwan wa win smartphone nti bra baje wa win 2000 Ghana cedis nti bra baje nkoma mi di sa o yobi a utahwe Mass TV pa be se ta frad of force mega cash lucky boss dumadi ado ho gym no achede na ba nti bomode ambra baje o de nti bomodi ansa grow obedi bi hye nso o dial star 426 star 8 hash na wa hu Max TV ana Max Radio assign dia grow we biom ko si se obehu nia ye kan
okay
men kwa banim ana men nyina ho
ayo ene ejina ho yi ma men fa we every eye mega cash na yantinsimu a emepiem e wo Mass buy ena nei word gusu a wo bossa amane ewe wo kire say wonum eye giveaway kakraka pa eye festive season ni na chese afi ko na wieye Mass buy e kire ni so e dia kire wonum customers esan say se customers ni ho a Mass buy for say wonum eni ho ni nyina ene say fasika kitu bi ebeto TV air conditioner refrigerator mobile phone and home appliances bia unya bi e wo fie na uto sa niam we nyina awie a enko na wie ye no kire se ye bedi agro bi agro no empanimfo se wonum edi a ubetumi anya sleek saloon car TV mobile phone anase home appliances bia de ehia ne se ubebo awura Mass buy shop bia no akoto ade sa niam we ya mabobo so na ukoto ade a ubetumi stand a chance of winning sa sleek saloon car empo TV eka ho ene smartphone eni nti wonum e kira dofo nyina se ɛyɛ ni so ɛna wɔn ɛkyerɛ ɛwɔ mo customers fasika na bɛtɔ saa ɛnneɛma wei bowura Masby shop ɛwɔ Madina Zongo Junction Tema Community 1 Junction Mall inside Westos Mall Kasua Takrady Station VVIP Station opposite Telecel Odo Rice area La Paz wɔn ɛwɔ Star Time Building Dakoma wɔn ɛne Mass TV Mass FM na wɔda nkro no mu saa so ɛna ɔdɔkɔ main traffic light no ɛna wɔn ɛwɔ Masby ɛkyerɛ sɛ wo pensemi enchire mu dodoɔ no a frɛ wɔnom ɛwɔ 05441 05440 19552 05440 19552 ana 0594 091122 0594 091122 Omadi anakoto wo niema ewo Masby na won so afi festive giveaway no won sa entumi enka bi kumi
yo anya na Masby ho a eya na wasan so abisa buy 2 for less promotion no ho asem na we ne yese bomodi ambra be piem ya so ye na to ne ma makoma enu na yente so emfa ema ho na nyina ne se yese se waye ade agina wo nan so ato ne ma makoma enu nti waye ade enti e babisa wo yente so na yemfa osika ma wo ana se osika no yensan emfa ma obibi mfa mpe so nyina no the US stress na che say una obe take decision no ana say the stress is yours na no pen so obe jaman na yehuni a yebe yew enti bomodi an say Masby yen showroom bi a obe hu no bomodi an say obe body awura ho na wabisa buy 2 for less na ho nsem emfa ho ne ne obe to bia no ne ma mienu pe na ya chewade e de aka ho enkyerɛkyerɛ mu bi a kyɛ ne amede ama we bi amede ati winti na mantimi ankyerɛkyerɛ mu pi bomodi an say obe frɛ 0544019552 0544019552
okay when so Masby no a wo se wo gusu a wo bo won Philip Essence ho dawuru wo kyerɛ sɛ phone saba phone bi a yeton no Masby phone papa ebo adwuma na esan kyɛ yie pa wonum e de Philip Essence aba every 10 ekosi 20 na gig na every 64 ekosi 256 ni nyina e wo honom a ebo no e wo form kra Philip Essence 10 no e 845 Ghana cedis ukita obetimi atobi eya 20 no 10 no so no 128 eya 975 Ghana cedis sa na 20 no 128 gig 1070 Ghana cedis na kesepa na ewom na eya 20 256 gig no eya 1475 Ghana cedis ene uyo obi a unkita phone e ma ne ncha uhia Philip Essence phone wonum e kire say obi honum a enche phone timi free ne nsa na abɔ hɔ phone timi free ne nsa na atɔ nsuom obi kura de betimi fa twetwene uhia phone bia eye Philip Essence phone ena uhia Masby na kwajo Philip Essence phone fra wonum e wo 0544 019552 anase visit our website www.masby.com.gh Masby actually say eye Philip Essence eye phone na eche yie pa enti kan ho na beje wo de
yo yefa sedama Kivo hot pepper makona hyehye na so eye de no eye ya na say Kivo hot pepper ye hyase ye ne ye hyase se de mako egu sachet mu ye anso ne ye hyase se ye de gari ane ye sikyire ne nkate egu sachet mu amanfo ahyase aye bi kama oh so mu suasuan ye na nyina ne se ne ye ya ne se amanfo kodwa so a omuhu omode ne kura se man Kivo hot pepper omode ne kura na esen ho kura ye se man Kivo gari mix essence yende ne na e papa e na agidin obi a eyusu na ne ya reho so ne se enya temom no mu se enya Kivo mo se je mempe Kivo ana mepe me bai me kan wante me se ma me Kivo enti bomode ya se unkodwa so Kivo hot pepper obeto bi e de aye wundua ne nyina na we no ni titu ni restaurant ahodoɔ ne ma moyɛ aduane ma mansan ɛna no DJ Stanzia for car ekɔdidi ɛ wala pass o baabi na m sɛ na wo ha ne sɛ aduane ni hɔ se da bi ɛhɔ no yɛde kivo hot pepper na ɛyɛ nti ɛhɔ no deɛ ɛyɛ na mu da hɔ nti ɛyɛ na menwe me lɔre fɛ ho koraa nti ma moyɛ adwuma ɛ restaurant ne chɔba ahodoɔ sɛ mo pɛ sɛ mo wɔ akyirikyiri na obi mfo car ɛmmra mo aso ɛmɛdidi a mɔmmɔden asɛ mo de kivo hot pepper ɛbɛdi mo dwumadie nyinaa na ɛbɛboa mo pii ɛno na yɛkamfo de ama obi biara yɛn nso a yɛyɛ twipagati anwummerɛ kwan ho mɛba ketewa no ɔsɛ da mɛdi twipagati
obedi dɛn
twipagati
ɔsane papa ɔbɛbrɛ o
no kra
ne kra ne sɛ ozuma anyɛ
yo
kubi na de mɛtwa no mama wɔn nsɛm akɔ wɔn mu
enti ma mo yɛ twipagati anwummerɛ tontɔn no sɛ yɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ mo bɛnya kivo hot pepper we no saka kra bi de guma oh sɛ na o customers ne pɛ ne na wonya ne saa pɛpɛɛpɛ enti bɔmmɔden sɛ wobɛnya bi na wode adi dwumadie nyinaa yo yɛda bibi ase yakɔdwa so aba deɛ yɛntie nnwo baako yɛkɔba na yɛde yɛ street vibe dwumadie no ato dwa ɛde ama wo na yɛama ho kwan na wabam yɛba sese ya
This is my ringing I'm in fashion onsa odo ti asie mami I'm in fashion onsa odo na komi mu ye I'm in fashion onsa nye trafa ku ye na ma chere odo pa odo be wanting I'm into dino oh my baby odo be wanting I'm into dino yeah odo be wanting I'm into dino.
Welcome to Tuesday Morning.
Oh yeah, I'll be a wanting I'm into dino. Oh my baby, I'll be a wanting I'm into dino. Yeah, I'll be a wanting I'm into dino. Drive me crazy. I'll be a wanting I'm into dino.
your friend no Charles in of any more ring
I'm in shower kawa.
ɔmɔde abra na men hyɛ kawa
So near me, oh yeah, I'm
Charlosin
I'm shower kawa, yeah. And try my side. So near me, oh yeah.
anwum no mu ɔdɛ paa abrantie yi ɔbɔ ne ho mɔden bruta
This is my ringing I'm in fashion.
me ring ni ma me mfa nhyɛ wo nsa ɔdɔ te aseɛ ma me na me mfa nhyɛ wo nsa
I'm in fashion. Near traffic, not much
ɛmɛma deɛ sɛ ya ma no dɛdɛɛdɛ me ring ni te ase ma me na me mfa nhyɛ wo de bɛhyɛ no bɛwie no afei mo da so ɛbɔ brabɔ ne bi ɛmɛma deɛ ma no sɛ ya
wa hu nuanom de ne ɛyɛ paa wa hu musuban de
ma no sɛ ya mo pɛ yi a mo kasa saa
obi wedding day de wo besi ahuro ni suo ni ade ase won chiti kura da eyi mu hu
no kra me sun
wo ye dai
me sun
na de ye wa wusu Kumi
yeah
hey
o me sun yo
na de ye wa na wusu
minim kura ma me to ase hwɛ ni jimi
Hello, baby. It's because of you I sing. Thank you for
for attention. On a back to my phone, they ring, ring, ring. Oh, my baby.
Your friend is Stone G, DJ Holy favorite.
For attention.
My favorite song, pa.
Calling my phone just to check you.
All right, I'm sure you're quite a young fire, sweet Vajumadian to Jana, Yen Chair, Hombre, Banner, Yama Hokwana, Wabemuna, watch the wagon. And then come on here, simple and tit, yet didn't come on here besides Christmas, bay. And as a Christmas, a wedding that day, Christmas, I didn't know crum. Any Christmas, I didn't know cricket to a moon, near and I had the pa, Michema. Christmas, I didn't know on crime. Kumasi Koforidiani Crocasium, and a Sabe, Christmas, and as a bronya, I didn't know a crasse. Near and the more the pa, near when he jump pa, near when the more de, okay, Christmas out dear. Ebia wanya ho kwa do Christmas ewo krokasiemu wanya ho kwa do Christmas ewo ukuro ketu a ofimu ansa na wo ba krom wo de Christmas mienu we toto sene ne ane wa he na mu ode pa akurase buronya akurase Ewrade Yesu Ewrade enti ye betwa ho aba yakoba na yama ho kwan na waba mu ene wadwenkyere ye ba sisi na yama ho kwan na wabamu yeba.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insurance cry. Essence due kesi every Max Buy abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and one Max Buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you now absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlets to start shopping. In Shaseka Krawon. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
Calling on all alumni. Join us every Saturday at 9 a.m. on School Connect, the ultimate platform to reconnect with your alma mater and share your founder's memory.
Let us spread great Okwasfe.
Share your story.
We are the only and first college in Ghana.
The only secondary school administration board with a helipad.
It's Tema Secondary School.
Wako school near you know. You have to go to Presec to be shaped.
Revisit your school days and reminisce about your time with friends and teachers. Showcase your school ongoing and upcoming project. Inspire current students and make your school proud. Be part of the connection. Don't miss this opportunity to reunite with old friends and classmates. Network with fellow alumni. Give back to your school community. Tune in every Saturday at 9 a.m. Schools Connect, where memories are revisited and new connections are made. Live on Max TV, Max FM 89.7 and online max.com.gh.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. Warat!
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae.
Mensa Kamekao!
Now what? So dear.
Hey, Charlie, what's it? Imagine buying your favorite gadget and driving home a sleek saloon car.
Oh, yes. With Max Buys You Shop, You Drive promo, every purchase brings you closer to amazing prizes.
Just shop any product from Max Buy between 7th November to 31st December
and stand a chance to win a sleek saloon car, TVs, smartphones, and more. Your next buy could make you a winner.
So what are you waiting for? Shop now and let's make your dream drivable with Max Buy.
Max Buy. You shop, you drive.
For further enquiries, call Max Buy on 054 401 9552. Terms and conditions apply. Approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Come on, church, let's sing it at the cross.
me, and I'll make you fishers of men. Matthew 4 verse 19. Tune into Max FM and listen to Evangelism Focus, a program brought to you by courtesy of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus Movement. Do you belong to a church and desire to win souls? Or are you into evangelism in any part of the world? Then join us and be a member of this movement. We help to win souls for existing Bible-believing churches. Your host is the radio evangelist, Deacon Danny Glover, a seasoned evangelist from the International Central Gospel Church, Royal Temple, Awoshi, and founder of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus Movement, Global ERFM. He has over 30 years of experience in evangelism, so you'll be greatly inspired as you listen to him. Tune in this and every Sunday from 5:30 to 6 a.m. and you will be blessed. For enquiries, call 0244 955 425 or 050-9038-893 or visit our website www.restoreevangelism.org. Evangelism Focus. Let's focus on evangelism.
89.7 Wewra Max FM wa jidu okita se
Kumi kasa eye baako pe edino eye baako pe menkesne kwasiada untumi fa duadan so untumi fa bladan so kumi ututuka ututudam utututam wajibam watufie watubum watutodan obejibam betuka kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Maji tina me dane di wunji di misibisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi fe be aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM koso a feeli masaya se
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells all bob to ring, making spirit bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song to the young way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
All right, them say I am Akwaba. I'm from Max 89.7 Max Morning Dew. And Wasugusu Uchi na fena adu afide na to I am Akwaba. Emra so ye de ye street value me no to aswa the amount. Na maminchia DJ for Dusty ewo Koforidia bra no pay yechia wo.
Ochina ye Yesu awodale ye wapata. Mumye afiatu ye bio.
Na green and you will bet me ato. I jingle be yi.
Enya no na ovi.
Semen so me de manwa fa na nka otimi de wano fa ho kakra.
Enya na jingle one we. Oh my father it was it. No.
Mumpa munya school papa koy. Mumpa munya school papa koy ni.
Now is I didn't want my own for wide so. But when you baba hosoro, that is what you say here pa.
Na we e chere his school and now.
School both school near sorry na.
Jingle bell
no.
And we school man cheda o. And my papa press.
Oh, the attendant say especially Carlos night. We got a Carlos night. Say ya no more baby ya. E to be a school edi kan kra e ya nsa na aye nsori o mama kwa ya nsa na nsori ni bi aye o mu kire nkwala no Na yanu bi say no yamfa anya hwe. Even now sorry mpo yamfa anya hwe. And na already my men ka say me nsere. Na no asori ana me wo mu na ekoba na say yes Sunday school teacher. Na Sunday school teacher na edru sa season we na ya na nkwala no mo pese omu recruit madam fo ni bi ka ho na kire se ye kire nkwala na nyum enyum ankwala no kwafa ba nyum nkwala no kura nyum no so se ne me na se mo ngwa na sa mo na ngaza no mu hia mo
nkwala ni nyum no kura to chair
madam me ka be kire on say on the first day of Christmas 5 golden rings what was I nyum no
be de mente kwada la mo de abuti ye
me fa bu kwa za na biti me to sa ai Eddie
na meti ase bia be ka
oh yeah de eni ma na ekwa miliki liki ana miki ye kodi ye de enti kofie kwa sha tade be sabi enu mom de e no de ba ye betimi
enu na onim ye no okwan wa as we twa me hokora we di as wasa me hokora
mapa ho
yo oso kabi di match yo
on ze nra Ricky Kazembi me pese be ye ho
asedan
oso ya de no di biesa me
adam yare ana
na jodi zo yare
wana se me yare
wona ye no bibi a kire zo yare
wana se me yare
wanga sa ni pedia uri zo yare
sa
uri zo yare
me yina wo ka kire me
ne doctor wi afema na ye me di na chi akwa yi o ei
yo kabi mesi kabi di wan kabi ya ndi machi am
yenkoye ene na yo yenkoye
afi na me sa ya de banka krenka che o pruni hinim semen crazy so man kire na kasa na yentio jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow. Yo, young fan wants to dama kivo hot pepper, bomadi aso benyabi. Omo boy sika fema yede yankomo ye bro. Duno yentio yankomo yi.
Oh, say ye yankola ni mu bi any boss wo ye nkuro ketu animu ansa na ye ba ye nkuro kesi animu. Na meka say wobra na me yakora ne de na me fin say nkuro ketu animu ode. Emu ode pa seminyini ewo kuro ketu amu anka we asem we nka metimi aka ne yie pa. Ba me benyini wo kuro kesi. Enti no amani mienu nyina no ayeda ama me. Amani mienu nyina ayeda ama me mitimi hu ni say ase ebia wo ne vibe. Ebia wo ne vibe. Kurom wo ne vibe. Na ye nkuro ketu anu so wo ne vibe. But what they compare party a kurom no stress wo.
Kurom Christmas no.
Yeah.
Ede na ma stress.
I say wakwaji wani kura wo baby a wo ba traffic a obedi mu no enye traffic ketwa enna at the same time so no aya na prices no say do festive season sa na aya na prices normally ya na eshuti enti no se wonyu obi asika wo ho a aya na enhyeda nya nikasa what you say but ye nkurase ne de eni de ye nya mponche ye nya nkukọ ye nya odwan banche ye bi kura yi garden ye dua bi wo mfichire menkan brode kwadu eniama se bebre kontomire emu emezi kontomire emire emu se emire ni bo ha ye dua aha sa eniama nkizinkizinkizi opa wo nto what you say obetimi adi fine but o de ba ha yi na se sika ni ubotomu a wo say Christmas na enya wo de but ekoba ni say kurase anase nkuro ketu na mpo sika ni ubotomu a anya hwe kura be kwa fishapa be kwa fishapa na nka ha de o kwa fishapa no wo hin
enti emu ne wo hin na wuyi
enti ne kura no eno anu botom ubotom eda kromo ede
mitina kroketu emu edi Christmas ema ne yode ubotom yode otimitina enkran
edi ma ne yode ba ubotom nya de ai ne no afa kroketu am
yo 0551598321 0550055522 eno ane nia grino ka o se nyina yo ubotom timitina ba bia edi Christmas ema ne yode nyina yo ubotom ye bisa se enkran ana se krokasie mu bronya ana yenkro ketua mu ana se krasi bronya ne we he na edepa 0551598321 0550055522 hello
morning
ra kwa me anope te say
nyamina do na wo se
ehu adom ye ho ye pa
mini aba ho ye de
eja na adom bra kwa me obo ade ada roma
na wo se ne di menim ne fanchi asonkon afanko ma jumere anope be do your dia bichano ene anope ani myself for juma for ina Mr. Koda live worship bra and it's for screen na the church of the tiara anope
kwa me yanko anim
me imagine trade ekrasi anti timi ya humi okrasi na yanti timi okrasi akabebi ya papa because ekrasi blonya die onya akron krawo ska botom krawo nti se wodi blonya ekrasi blonya the raw and then you know about you so be ka say 31st ko krom ko village ko di blonya the papa ekrasi blonya de ko
yo kwame yada se kwame se ekrasi blonya
kama pa unya
numero 1 yo 0551598321 0550055522 hello
good morning that's you yako
atamas
okwahi
yeah good morning atamas me di jamina mkwanzo
ajajia yentio
me do bi ase do that one there ekrase ye pa me kwase me krase me pu amebe me bon pass 24 masa suma ba cause ekrase bring there just from kra because I didn't make say then say nipa won hiesia wo mo no say du afia bronya dana uta hiesia mo titru ye transmit wo mo ye no mo ko school me de kakra me kanin ya mi ti obibia mi ya Mr. Koda Grino
Tamas
yo atamas yate yada se pa 0551598321 0550055522 enti obama na wachira wadwene na yakoye nim ye bisa se bronya yedi no ekro kasi mu ene sebe ekrasi bronya ne wa hine mu ode papa udi onsampa
udi
enti 0551598321 hello James
Bobby that's man
Bobby at saying
Yamadmo
Wadaruma no pay you
many see the man sedan graphic but I am a call I am the back the means don't say me snack crana I can't to boil in Jaka
Inti akra bronya no inki wom yo ate Bobby yada se enti yenhwe but se na enti se first se na nanka Christmas nanka obi ade America ekonu
krom no
se ase
system ni mu ayehio economy ni mu ayeden enti no lorry fair crowd de be kono imagine say me ko me krom a me fan say lorry fair nkwa kekekra no 500 cedis
in and out
500 na 500 no okwa ye wo yi obi wo hon ma wo expect wo say wo frɛ kura no si frɛ kura wo frɛ krokasi ma ba no nkwa de wo ma ni bibi me ka say nso bi ni ho say wo hu nti na 500 no de better na wo de attack kokɔ na worry So what you say?
You. Hello.
Hello.
Honorable.
Hello.
Who's on the idea? Yes, and honorable.
Honorable, yes, Odo Yadia Nasam, and come me by na Omubu me pass. You see, I'm a man, my Harry.
Oh, what do you mean, Halisa? What do you mean to me, Halisa? And you're not good interesting. Eja Nkuma.
Oh, Eja Facha Yaton Kachintia. Why?
Yes, I was.
And I baby, I'll share some for one. I said, I don't want to do a huntina. Eja Nkuma for FIFA.
Matayoko.
You. Meso Metina Happy, patch on my NTO.
Metina Happy. And then. I said, Kumaya, na the public, answered the Lolufe and Komu. Nanka, Brunia, dear, Cambrunia, pan, dear, Brunia, dear, Cambrunia, fire, classic, because a classy Bruniano. It cuts across a whole lot to be dear will be. A class of Doniano, Sia won't be. The best uncles, Kaka. So my uncles.
And Patrick Church, which me what the Roma.
20 uncles.
Debbie.
Oh, near Copic Nata Moya or Takra, the every Blonia, the same piano. Aha. This time, no, my enemy, but those times, no, I can't be. Yes, I tell yes, uncles are any name, you say a future. Near coffee, my mayor buffy, my kaka come young quite. Na ya wapata, ya faha eburaha. Before our baby and I bring any terminal. Naka crab a short bottom, ya more diani, ya maui, ya maui. The feeling alone, something. But I said, no, Kakrea, America, Kakrea, and we could my who I did. But we check her uncle Brunia. This won't pay because on this car. I can't not sick of your class, you, but on pay because on this car or the back. Into better now have a Brunia and but I was car and can't snack and come back on the room because we said the room going a day.
You, Eja Nkuma, Yadase, why? Yadase pa, unko krasi, Brunya Nkosia, accident, and Count Casa Krumu, bring dada. What krasi, Brunya pa, Kosia, Panada. And I will say, yes, Brunya Yome.
Brunya Yome.
Unko Nkosia, Panada Dentia. Hello.
Hello. With your master now, can keep your secret.
You keep
master now, bossy.
My name is young Watty.
Christmas, the class of that is I feel we are where I'm in the 24. My permanent man in a 24. I'm a crime, Papa. We are in the Queen. 1 month upon Chicasiapa and then blow your bank punching. Who could have 1,500 to we see them Papa the above free. May Kuna Christmas. You do a class you knew a crew. The crowd doesn't be any do. But Christmas is the class 24 for back. Then come Papa Kumi. I feel the Coba Robert idea. Why?
Oh, Chromie, I infa.
I think other at Chelsea.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
me do what me and can't trouble Miss Row. And what can't trouble some maybe more Miss Row. Hey, I grew na midi. You keep your that say, you. Or say, and crap punches 1,000.
I can't call
a punching.
Oh, yeah, by this time, cried a bebrew, 1,005. And no crown upon Chimba Bew.
Upon chicken and any panam, dear.
Now, I may phone by Winnie Panam.
Hello.
Hello.
I got my chair.
Jesus.
Yeah.
And Mrs.
Onya Mrs. Mena mede ma no fefa no ho anti e kwanda ho why.
Ntu ye ni sa na ni ti mo ende.
Kwanda ho nti no obetinya fam ne aka ho asem why.
Una kwanda ho ono ye mfrɛ. Ono ye mfrɛ. O besi machi.
Why ni o?
Ani se bisire ye nwanu mu ma no. Ani se bisire ye nwanu mu ma no. Bronya bremu we no. Awon fi bebre na nam krom. Enti omo dresi a, omo fifi a, omo hwe se na omo dresi. Nkankan omo suro no omo no fontem no. Omo sisi owie na e onda oyi. E onda ye fine because awon fi bebre nam krom. Me pa ocho we ni mi futu na me di man ma.
Dani yeda se why?
Yeah.
Yeda se ne wa futu.
Dani no so frefre. Yenkoye ni me odi yenkoye ni.
Ekrasi bronya ya ntimi ankodi ya tena nkran kakra na ye de ade ate hot so a.
O si ahohomone na nkroma den. We otu ye fo.
After Christmas ahohomone ne beko.
Oh, after Christmas no yeah ahohomone ne beko.
Enti say mo kwa na ye nya so bi pre.
Oh, there be so enta so mo kono mo di nsemone nti na list.
But you can de
yeah futu futu pa. Once under normal no cry no any kind so we expose.
Oh, I thought that to me happens ni bi patch. Hey. Anya you.
Na no tidal wave see. Video say pie. Anya sem keto.
Oh, but say the Daniel yadi ye mona beti. Ye mona beti.
Ye mo ensema no. Ye mo ensema no.
En how ye de won ham. Akwa wi a. Otika wa ka no. Eko ka te chem. Mpam cho munsi na empia ka no, munsi na empia ka no. Afi akwa ni gina ho. Ommu aka ni bi. Ana ma me bi so na no si. Ana ye nya tika mu, enya tika na ka na aka na ye nya ye pia. Onko a akogina ba bi. Onko na ya branche. Onko na ya branche. Odon sa shobotom. Odon sa shobotom. Alright, ini sa she. Na kwata.
Na udim. Ba konso so
ensa we erifnya ka
ba aya na adentia we de this edako ye pani bi no bebisa wo se normally ya na sa nkrofo no we de pani fo mesere mu amani mu a aya na mpempi no omo hwene
o kan kwa sa se mu inti na wo sere mpemfo ya chu de bia hello hwanie
hello
yeah
hey Obapa Grino
see that
Oti wa mana ya ton.
Enwa se.
Se meton.
Enwa.
So de anka fofofu pa o. Wo ho ana be mattress abe. Magic mattress ne. Wanye. Yeah, ojiska okani maza. Oje ne sen. Oje passenger ne sen.
30.
Fama ne metua.
Hey,
me se fama ne metua.
David, mini of Papa Green beche.
Eno no.
Menu aye ntie we.
Me see. O tiwama. Papa Green o tiwama na o wa son.
Asem getwa.
Se de o tie kwanda no ho die. O da o kwa die. Na wo na o beka no wan sama mo bi.
Ne mu ya me mobo se na ya de san ne nko ada no
e fa wo ho
Mr. Kumi
ye
we are maybe ready
e no meto me obeba de bayi me hu adi dada
Obapa Grino
eja
come me o me dia Mr. Kumi we die e ma yem se secret tomato
emua no Emuano.
One day, me go and buy it. One day. That means that to move me no.
Yati.
Our West Mall.
Yati.
Me bank crunch. Me kwayira. Mesra.
Me no na ekọ kwayira.
Bank crunch.
Me no na ekọ. West small mani me ya. Na so akora wanim ho.
Ewenfa.
E wanim ho.
Sa.
Oh wanim ho. O tra eweja. Eyi ho na broadcaster. E wanim ho na.
My young come some mama or bad damn for a minute ben nanti or better.
And I'm quite a dear more, you're more than 4 baby.
adamfo ben
Irene Edna ma ye ma adamfo baby.
Yemfa 3 course enka ho na yemfa free dwumade ne 0551598321 0550055522. Hello.
Hello, Honorable Kumisen.
Sagifsi.
Podjoski.
Podjoski.
Podjoski at say.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sagifsi.
Na form to say.
Eja na dom na so e.
Na me adom ya ho.
Ida Yesu ase.
Na me ase. E kwasi bronya de unya o. Kwasi bronya de. Ye na ye boaboa ye wan se betimi akwa. Na ka ade de. Se apontene kwa o say 1,500 na ye ko bi say bi no mo say 1,008. Where you to the amount of crown 8,006. Now a class is so dear. Oh, mammy will be. Oh, auntie be will be. Oh, a class here. Classy, never quick crowd.
Hefa now quick crowbang.
Miko T region. Miko
Oti
region.
Voter side home.
Hey, you. Sister gift your dash.
Sister gift you also quan what said me so me quan were you.
Bro, na ne dia mo bekọ akurase, mo bekọ akodi na emom akasa mo beba.
Ye beba. Eno ya masa ji so
frefe. Mo dia bia mo dia mutiri kwa mo fikura mo kọ hwa mo timi ba easy. Yenye nkrom. Dabi nyame krom mesremo. Amanfo krom.
Ese wala.
Amanfo krom mesremo. Nyame krom mesremo. Ba kusuro. Amanfo krom mesremo. Nyame krom. Yen krom na. Obi etwi car nyumere bi.
Okay.
Nti private car onama na ne ne fuel sign na o park ye na o to fuel ewo.
Okay.
Filling station na.
Okay.
Essence sign ho. Na ese on komra de chia na wa
ba.
Oh. Filling station pa na ade chia ye. Muni sesen. O so o mo discan ko into the ade chia na wa ba no abaji into the wo betwa ma no afa he na o see you at. Ti okobae no e no du ye nkrom no o mbamcho morning so mbamcho endro anwumre me twamu na me short ye na me to fuel e wa ha na filling station na e wa ha ma hwehwa me hu batase e wo ha side ma me hu be dia filling station no
kumi
and yes ye ni filling station
oh
e ha
na me to
e na me to e wo
ngro na dane
say na desa masa
Eche hakra Dubai.
O see my light bobo bokru ni street light. Eso sa time na light ni ho.
Eche osi.
Tata na ye ni light.
Ei.
E okru nim. Enso no man chim say.
Adie
say no. Street light ya na gu.
What is this grandpa no? Esi yo.
E dey na beka. Judy kodi bronya na hweso beba ye beje o sesa e beka se chima bra beje
kora bra beje ase we oni se bisi mi krum
sa
e bisi mi krum ko biye sem na mekai na dipane bae me pese beka se e bisi me ma me abusiam but na yes
ti em fan sa se su ma me abusiam
yes me ma me abusiam nya me abusiam ba na
o ma me abusu anya wo abusu
empacho me mfiri ho ayi kai wanti o se me ni padua na ye bibi ni o me ya me nyina ye broni
ampa
aha na emi se ni pai bai wa ba beda hotel emi se wo ja ne watch o se ni bibi o hodo ade eche ye na obefa aka kwa me
maya nkapa
acho ayase acha ena na nipa no ebeka asasem no ema enani na nyina no ubisa obi a onim aha omoka me fan say ye me ma me ne papa inside ena asasem no esie omo abusu afie ena asasem esie ano adin
baby anwe ye
kura ba nya me ne bo nipa ho
o ma me so da wase
o say
o ma me
edem enya ma mom ne beda mo me na mom ne beda mase
ona na so da
me na beda mase
se audio ma besi Max FM
Oh, by Adam who's a yanokre. Oh, Adam who's our
processing.
Sir, a bosom kikao.
Oh,
I'm a camacho, a bosom
kikan. I said, maybe
I'm not sure.
Maybe no.
Ye nina, oh, dear, need a making, because more can my near any besine. Me am a camacho. My near any besine.
Oh, dear, wouldn't win tea.
Okay,
no pan come away that you bring full lines now. A man for share best show my experience.
So won't call baby na chrono. Ebi a wuni mu ana wuni mu no akoto se light hyiren ade bechi na hoya
odi a wuni mu nti
ya na me se me o ka cha ma anya okay ye yankora no o mo ka ba ma anya ni besi le
you last call odi Solomon City ano pet sen
dia ka na dia three
ano pay ntie we
na no very my head and the mukayo akam aframo
wante ani akate
kumi ka kire no
na me sine kama dai
ka kire na me ma no ye me ya
wado be yo ye nyo ya sei safo anopa ye bisa se bronya ye din wo kro kasiem ene bronya ye din wo ye kura ana ye nkuro ketua mu de wo hene ena eya na anika pa ede wo mu sa enkromi
oh ene de kromo de odi bronya nya de o sika kwa na besantem village bronya de pa you see bronya die ina e ko twa body be sisi sene ya bo cross nya di normal no flowers this at any more papa ni say hu na akofo a way back bi a otu kwan be 5 years yes ya ni ye game ni e bobo ni ade na o ma ko ye ni say bi a tonto bi say e cap o wi ni a wa ju ta cap na na papa o ya de class ni de na unya akoko papa nso wi wo fra na say
no kure
ibo kwa na di mu a che o wi kwa won horo sana de ko cha da nso di mu I won't tell Grasida, and no more evidence way. Oh,
someone can hang us on us.
Oh, but says it is after 2 seconds and says here more the common into no.
I say, na baby, you. Yeah, make I those some papa. We better turn the mouth near Uncle 5. One hour, if you are sitting a numbi. No, I target in any now, no, so they go and walk on in your better be. Now, someone will cut your fridge, you man, and said, okay. Oh, my, a motor, a boy, I'm from any years if you do not associate you. In the caca, where the Brunia. Oh, when you come with better from the crash and Mamma.
And no, I don't know.
Oh, Chromie, I'm fine.
Konongo, Black Okuru.
Now, Konongo, our friend in the village, you know.
Oh, that's it. You're going to do I don't look on the one to
you. Safia does say, Konongo should be Kuromo.
And Yasam Ketua. Yasam Ketua.
Obinsu afi baby abetna Konongo ma ye kan say no so kan na kura ase bunya.
En jami be firi ha kwa kwatena abriwi.
Abriwi. Efa. Ai baby na firi no.
Baby na firi no.
Okweda ho.
Okweda ho se be kwatena ho be kwa bo nsesen baby anye wa baby beje.
Me de so far de me nyan share baby anyi senti me nyan nwane. Ne be ma madwane
enyi ene chechire bo na ho wada uruma.
Meguso.
Chechire se de be ya.
Me tai na asa. Tai na me di.
Mebrobi wada uruma. Mebrobi se de be ya wunwa ni nya ye.
Yado bibi ase wa babu adwenchiro nim dia wa boa mayen kom ya bedum pempe so yada ase yemfa ho aseda ma Kivo hot pepper omo boa sika famu ma yada yen street value madie no ebrew yado bibi ase yada Kivo hot pepper so ase yenko enim Max morning deal. Yes. Live on Max 89.7 and our sugusu out here from Kumi Kasa me name aba Grino DJ Holy I run the cow Mr. Bobby and producer. Yeah, basi say ya.
Welcome to Tuesday morning.
Why would we live in any opera?
Your friend no catch you kwame apia. Nana konti hene anapa ye chia o. Anapa ba minchia madafi. Your friend AP10. AP10 apio. AP10 anapa ye chia. Fache me nano o papa fi moment mi amba why fache me e ma bunfu o papa fi mu eyenment mi amba me sure bo ma me wu ameba why we dia me sure wa light alai o ma me pa ye dia meba o papa dia na mantimi amba o ma me o say
o twan ya se ne ma me mu
o da bi se ne de
nka se bia wade bia na se yi bia obeba na wu asem de
awade en hye ni nani so santi na me
nti wo de wo nani so ana wo na dwene
ah se de timi sitabia but awade de se efan
ye na de ogira ho no wante ahwe
wani beje salagate garinka nkaida kaika.
All right, James, yanku anim na enkomo yente emfi ho na yenuanom ana se busuafo anya ho kwan afo plane akire mu a se plane no ebetu na se ye announcement a ye kire mu se emfa ho ne ebesi bia no bomode ya se wo ubedi kan ede oxygen no ahye ohene ansa na wo mboa bia wo de abo obi enti se bia multiple mu na se bia esane bia na se bia accident bi besi a wo di kan se wo de oxygen ne besi wo so ansa na bia oba ana se obusua ne bia na se odofo bi o plane ni mu so opese wo mmoa na waboa no ene ne announcement di kan yeye enti enkomo yi kire se ansa na obetimi aboa obi no gisa wo di kan boa ho ansa gisa wudi kan ema ho ahoden yenya sa tumi na ansa na obetimi aboa obi na enkomo ye enkomo a ye ko ye de ma yawofo ne tituru ne ye ma menom ne se eya na nkoda no eba sa na ya tension ne ye bibia de konkoda no ho akoda no na didie mu na dware na ho siesie toda me kai se ebra na ye wo kron keto mu na se yesua no na empenfo asema na yetaka ne se sa akoda hu ne nsa didi edabi akoda hu ne nsa hohora